I'm Cody Forbes. I currently own BlackForestRacing.
My name's Fisher, and I am an entry-level tech here at BlackForestRacing.
My name is Garth Helmer. I'm one of the technicians here, kind of specialized in the electrical portion of it.
My name is Javier Carrillo. I work here at BlackForestRacing, and I'm a fabricator, and I also build engines.
I think my father started this business in 1979. I took it over from him in 2015. We are a Porsche streetcar and race car shop, primarily focusing currently on cars from the mid-2000 era, but we have cars here everywhere from the oldest Porsche in North Carolina is a customer of ours here with a 1950 Porsche 356, and all the way up to Jonathan's 2019 that's on the dyno right now. The difference between sandblasting and wet blasting is definitely a matter of process with the surface finish that you get, and also with the vapor home wet blasting technique, the parts seem to come through the machine way faster to get the results that we want.
So this is a piston out of a Porsche 911 race car. It is from a 3.6 liter engine, and it's pretty dirty, as you can see.
What I really like about the wet blasting, the vapor honing machine, is the fact that all the dust and debris is pretty much contained inside the machine. It doesn't really seep out like most sandblasters.
Less dusty, less dirty.
I mean, it's fairly simple to use.
With the wet blasting technique, we have more control over the surface finish that we like. With this piston that we just had Fisher do, the wet blasting technique really leaves us with a brand new part finish, whereas when we go with a sandblasting machine, we always end up with a rougher surface finish. It's a part that you can pick up and you can say, oh, this part's clean, and I can tell it's been sandblasted. Whereas with a vapor home part like this, we pick up a part and I couldn't tell you if this was a brand new part or if it was a vapor home part, other than maybe some marks that are on it from being run in an engine.